Welcome back to Gun Trek, guys. I appreciate you tuning in. This one is going to be kind of a funny video in the sense that this is not really an unboxing. This gun has been shot before. Picked up this gun for myself, but didn't make a video of it. I'd kind of gotten out of the video thing because it seemed like not a lot of people were watching. There's way better channels out there. So I kind of got out of it, but then the subscriber count slowly started ticking up without having made more videos. So I figured, what the heck, we'll bring it back in. This is a great one to come back with. But again, has been shot before. Had this out to the range a couple times. I'll don't want to bury the lead. I love this gun, but I kind of put it all back together here for you so that if you guys pick up one for yourself, you will see what you will get. So we'll get started. Here's your normal Kimber box. Their rather presumptuous tagline, what all guns should be. And then you open it up and here's your normal Kimber bag. So we'll go ahead and get this out of the way. And here is the standard bag. Talked about these before when we've had other Kimbers on. All right, not the fanciest bag in the world. Obviously, Atlas bags. I think if you're going to judge bags, is kind of the coolest ones because they've got the different spots for mags and things like that. It's a higher quality bag, but this definitely does the job. That's what you're looking for. And the front zipper, you're going to get all your normal stuff, right? You got your fiber optic front sights, optic plate. So this is for the RMR pattern on this pistol. Keep that in mind. Got your stickers. Encourage you to join the NRA. Lock. And then your safety warnings instruction manual. Make sure you read that. Very important stuff in there to operate your pistol safely and know what you are working with. So we'll get this put back in here, and then we'll get to the star of the show. Open this up. And here is the pistol. Now, I don't have all the mags in here that it comes with because those have already been taken out and put away, but it does come with 3 magazines. So, you do have 2 20-round mags, and then it comes with 1 17-round flush fit mag. And this, of course, is in 9mm. So, make it safe. Very good. So, let's talk a little bit about this pistol. So first thing that strikes me is this being the Eclipse option, a little different slide and grip here. I think this thing is fantastic. It is really a striking pistol. So you guys can see all that here. I'm a huge fan of it. Feels good in the hand. Really helps you lock on. It's very positive engagement on that safety. I like the trigger. And the finish on this is just really attractive to me. So I'm a big fan of what you get in the box. So the barrel length on this, it's a 5-inch fluted ramped, and they call it target crown barrel. Overall, this thing runs about 8.5 inches from front to back, and I think it's just under 6 inches tall and about 1.5 inches wide. So it's about 40 ounces unloaded for this pistol. Give you another look at it. So obviously this is what people want to know, and a lot of people ordering guns online. It's really hard if you don't have a store nearby that you can pick one up and hold one. So I like to give everybody a good look so you can see as much as you can. I know a lot of videos have all the cool shooting and stuff that I can't do because I don't have a range here at the shop, but if I can at least give you guys something to look at and know what you're getting your hands on if you're going to order this sight unseen, hopefully you will be well versed in what you're getting. So like I said, this comes with the RMR footprint, comes with a CNH plate. Now there's a lot of ups and downs for those. I think Ben Steger probably covers that best in his. You'll probably want to get a different adapter plate that's maybe a little bit higher quality. That's up to you, but if you're going to do any serious shooting with this thing, you probably want to upgrade that. We'll look at the trigger here. Lots of reviewers will actually do the pull weight. It usually comes in around 3.5. They advertise 3 to 4. So let's take a look here. Very crisp. Reset. Reset's almost immediate. Yeah, I like that a lot. So take a look here again. Toolless guide rod, external extractor. So whether you're a traditionalist or not, just keep in mind that good old JMB originally designed the 1911 platform with an external extractor. So I know people want to argue about that, but the man himself wanted it that way and the Army made him change it. So look it up. It's a good story. It's got 5-groove rifling for the barrel, the 110 twist. This magwell here is very functional. It's got a aluminum grip module. It's a stainless steel subframe. And then it's got nice checkering on the front and the back. When I first saw this, it looked like this was going to be really slick, and I wasn't sure that this was going to really feel good in the hand. But like I said, this thing locks in there. I'm a big fan of this, and it feels very secure when you start shooting it, even when you start doing those rapid follow-up shots. So the option for finish on these things, you've got your DLC, your Kimber, there's PVD options. So you can, I mean, they make so many of these 2K11s that you can really find anything that you want depending on the model. So make sure that you check them out and get what works for you. So the double stack does give it a little wider grip than your traditional 1911s, but I think that you really get a lot more for that. We're not shooting 8 rounds anymore, and like I said, this can come with 2 20 rounds and a 17 if you want the flush fit. I don't think this is really going to be anybody's concealed carry gun, so it's probably not something that, you know, I mean, I would prefer if it came with 3 20-round mags instead of a 17, but hey, it is what it is. The aftermarket magazines can be relatively expensive, like 60 to 80 bucks if you're looking for additional double stack ones. So it may be that, you know, once you're in this market, you're used to spending more for magazines, but I can tell you, I also ran some Prodigy magazines through this, and I didn't have any problems. So this only has about 300 rounds on it right now, but it is held up really well. I don't have any complaints. Smooth shooter, like I said, has worked with other magazines, traditional 2011, just kind of training mags, and have not had any issues whatsoever. So I'm a big fan of this thing. If you are looking for a range toy, if you are looking for something just to kind of add to your collection that's a little flashier, if you're just getting into 2011s, I think you'd be pretty happy with this one. It's definitely not in the you know, Atlas, Infinity, Haze type level there, but it is definitely leagues above a Prodigy. And I think, don't get me wrong, I have Prodigies. I like them. I've got some that I toy with, put a lot through the shop that other people have toyed with. And my personal experience is that Prodigies are not the problem, at least the latest generations, that maybe they were originally, but it's not in this league. So I think if you have the money, this is probably worth the extra. But if you have both, or if you shot either one, leave your comments below. Let's get a little discussion going, and we'll see what everybody thinks about these particular firearms and how they compare in the wide world of 2011s. Appreciate you tuning in, and I'll see if I can get some more videos going for you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and if you want to see more, let me know, and we'll keep making them. Thanks, guys. Appreciate you.